Welcome back, guys. Thank you for joining us. Today we got a quick one for you. We're going to be installing a set of GMC logo under mirror puddle lights on the 2025 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali Ultimate Dually. These are from 404 Parts Store. You can get yours at the link listed in the description. And the only tool you're going to need today is a small flathead screwdriver. Let's go. One quick thing to note. This part number 8440 8373 is not exclusive to the Denali Ultimate Sierra. Will work on some other trim levels as well as some other models. You just have to have the pre-existing, puddle lights. If you got those, this should work. Next thing we're gonna do is take the flathead, slide it in here, pop this first light out. You're going to want to be careful that you do not pull hard enough to break the little clip like I did, or it will not go back in there. It'll kind of just be loose and dangly. So after you got that out, and there's my clip. You are going to disconnect this battery, plug in the new one. All right, so your blue marked light is going to go on the left-hand side. You're going to carefully plug this connector back in. You have a little less room on this side just because the light is a little bit taller. Once you have the connector plugged back in, it snaps back in like so. All right, I swear, there's been a weed whacker running for like 45 minutes. Not sure how the audio was on that last clip, but now that we got this first light pop back in, I'm gonna duplicate the process on the other side. I will clip in some video footage of the before and after of the standard puddle light as well as the GMC logo. That way you guys can see both side by side, and let me know what you like more in the comments. All right, so quick side by side comparison. We got the new ones, way brighter. GMC logo, fire. And then the old one, way less bright. No GMC logo, anticlimactic. All right, guys, get yours, 404partstore.com. Don't have the lame puddle lights. And then literally 30 seconds in the dark, swap the other side out.